Hello and welcome to the RYOBI workshop. I'm here to tell you about RYOBI's ONE+ cordless DAB+ radio with Bluetooth. A great little radio for keeping you company during your latest DIY project, relaxing in the garden, or taking on your camping adventures. Powered by a ONE+ battery, this premium 10-watt speaker provides crisp and clear sound quality, helping you enjoy your favorite music. And when using a 5 amp-hour battery, you can listen to your favorite station for up to 29 hours on a single charge. This radio boasts DAB+, enabling you to quickly select your favorite digital radio stations with ease. It also has FM and AM scanning selectors to help you quickly navigate the available stations. With Bluetooth wireless technology, you can connect your phone to stream audio from up to 25 meters away. Simply press the mode button and select the RRDAB18 radio from the list of available devices on your phone. It also features a 2-amp USB port for connecting your phone to charge the battery. Perfect for when you're out exploring the great outdoors and need a little battery top-up. This cordless DAB+ radio with Bluetooth is part of the ONE+ system, meaning one battery can be used to power multiple RYOBI tools for the home and garden. So once you're in the system, you don't need to buy additional batteries and chargers. And there you have it, RYOBI's ONE+ DAB+ radio with Bluetooth, the perfect companion for your DIY project or next garden barbecue.